Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Homelite carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your outdoor power equipment, and choosing the right one can be crucial for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a Homelite carburetor, helping you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. We will cover key features, compatibility, and troubleshooting tips to ensure you get the most out of your equipment. Number 5. KIPA Carburetor Kit. This kit provides a reliable and high-quality replacement for your worn-out carburetor. It's designed to restore peak performance to your outdoor power equipment. It's manufactured to the highest standards using premium materials. It's compatible with a wide range of popular brands and models, including Homelite, Ryobi, and MOTOALL. The kit includes everything you need for a complete replacement: a new carburetor, filter, fuel lines, primer bulbs, and mounting gaskets. It's designed for easy installation, ensuring a perfect fit in seamless operation. Make sure to match the OE part number for a guaranteed fit. With this kit, you can restore your outdoor equipment to its original power and efficiency. Enjoy maximum performance and reliability with your brush cutter, blower, or string trimmer. Choose KIPA for dependable, high-quality replacement parts. Get back to enjoying your outdoor projects with renewed power and confidence. What we like. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Its compatibility with numerous Homelite models makes it a versatile choice. If you need a complete replacement kit with all the necessary parts, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked well on bringing back to life old 26 cubic centimeters Homelite trimmer which was sitting in the shed for 10 years unused. It fired up immediately and ran nominally with no adjustments whatsoever. The package included everything you could need to eliminate most, if not all, fuel-related issues. Number 4. Homelite UT33600A Carburetor. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your Homelite trimmer. It's designed to restore your equipment's peak performance and get you back to work quickly. It fits a wide range of Homelite models, including the UT20760, UT33650A, UT26 SEMC, and many more. Check the product description for a complete list of compatible models. This isn't just a carburetor, it's a complete kit. You'll receive all the necessary parts for a smooth installation, including gaskets, primer bulb, spark plug, fuel lines, and filter. With all the necessary components included, installation is straightforward. Get your trimmer running smoothly again in no time. It's built with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a durable replacement part. This carburetor is also compatible with select Ryobi trimmer models, such as the 3080540077, 3080540088, and 3080540043. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your Ryobi trimmer. What we like. This carburetor is designed for a precise fit on your Homelite trimmer, ensuring smooth operation. It comes with all the necessary parts for easy installation. The included extra spark plug is a bonus, saving you time and money. If you value convenience and a hassle-free replacement, this is the ideal option. What people say. Fits early 2000s Homelite Versatool 25 cubic centimeters perfectly. Trimmer fired right up and ran great with no adjustments. Worked great, no adjustments or anything needed, bolt and go. Replaced stock carb on Homelite 26 cubic centimeters weed whacker. Unlike some reviews here, the hoses fit perfectly. There's two sized hoses in box, and the choke lever, although different shape from original, fits perfect through the air filter cover. Started right up, runs great. Number 3. MOTOALL WT458 Carburetor. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your worn-out part. It's designed to give your equipment a new lease on life. It works with a wide range of Homelite string trimmers. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your model. This is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. You'll be back to work in no time. It's built with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to get the job done. You'll receive exactly what you see in the picture. Get it now and restore your equipment's performance. This replacement part is compatible with various Homelite models, including the A03003, A03002, A04445A, A04445, and many more. Please check the full list to ensure compatibility with your specific model. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of Homelite string trimmers and other models. This makes it a great value, as it can be used across many machines. If you own multiple Homelite tools and need a reliable replacement, this is a smart choice. What people say. All the parts fit. Quality was good. This is a very nice kit with everything you need included. Easy to install and gets your weed eater in working order again. Fitted with no problems, primed the strimmer and it fired up third pull, first time it has run in about a year. Number 2. MOTOALL Carburetor for Homelite Chainsaw. This high-quality carburetor is designed to replace worn-out parts in your Homelite chainsaw. It's a simple and effective way to restore your equipment's performance. It fits a wide range of Homelite chainsaws with 35 cubic centimeters, 38 cubic centimeters, and 42 cubic centimeters engines. Check the part numbers to ensure compatibility with your model. This carburetor is designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. You'll be back to work in no time. It's constructed from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Get the most out of your chainsaw with this replacement part. You'll receive exactly what you see in the picture. It's ready to install and get your chainsaw running smoothly again. This carburetor replaces part numbers 309362001 and 309362003. Make sure to verify your chainsaw's part number before ordering. What we like. It's designed to deliver optimal power output for your Homelite chainsaw. It's specifically engineered for 35 to 42 cubic centimeters models. If you need a direct replacement for your high-powered chainsaw, this is the perfect fit. What people say. More than a year later still starts right up 1 or 2 pulls the carb set up easy and is on par with the original that became plugged up and would not start after 5 years. I installed this on a Homelite 3816 UT10660 chainsaw. The chainsaw was not running properly with the old carb. This one fixed the problem. The carb was a good fit, had to make a minor adjustment to the carb after warming up, but ran a tank of gas out with no trouble. Number 1. AUMEL Carburetor Kit for Homelite. This kit provides everything you need for a complete carburetor overhaul. It's designed for a quick and easy repair. The kit includes a new carburetor, fuel filter, insulator, spark plug, on-off switch, fuel lines, and a gasket kit. Everything is here for a perfect fit. It's specifically designed for Homelite pressure washers, including models HL252300, UT80522B, UT80522D, UT80522F, and UT80953A. It works with 179 cubic centimeters engines. With all the necessary parts included, installation is straightforward. You'll have your pressure washer back up and running in no time. These are high-quality replacement parts built to last. Get your pressure washer back to peak performance. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy repair. It's specifically designed for Homelite pressure washers. If you need a simple solution for your pressure washer's carburetor issues, this is the one for you. What people say. The old carburetor on my pressure washer was really gunked up. After looking around I found this one that comes with additional parts that I can use to refurbish my pressure washer. Installation was well as you'd expect. It's not always easy, but it fit. Was a bit confused because one of the gaskets wasn't metal like the original one on mine, but I didn't see a reason why the included one wouldn't work. Anyhow, after installing this thing, the thing starts up first try. I haven't replaced anything else, even though it comes with a spark plug, the on-off switch, even a fuel line and a filter, so I can't vouch for that stuff, but the carburetor definitely works very well, and it even has an adjustment screw, so I can change the air-fuel ratio. The original one didn't have one, so this is neat. Product came with everything needed. Easy to install, all gaskets are included, you also get a kill switch and inline fuel filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.